how to post more than 10 pictures on Instagram. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to post more than 10 images or videos on Instagram? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Instagram on a device. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Tap on the plus icon at the top. A menu will appear. Select post. Tap on select multiple icon. Start selecting videos or images one by one from your device gallery that you want to be posted as a carousel post on Instagram. With the recent update on Instagram, you can choose up to 20 images or videos. As you can see, I have selected up to 20 images or videos. Also, I am seeing the message at the bottom that the limit is 20 photos or videos. Once selected, tap next. A new page will appear with various editing options. From here, you can edit or crop pictures, add filters or music. If you wish to add filters, tap on the Venn diagram icon. You will be directed to the filters page where you can add various filters. For example, let's select the Paris filter. Once selected, tap on the tick icon to save changes. If you wish to add music, you can either search by the music name or select a track from the list of suggested musics. For ease, let's use the search feature. Tap browse, then tap on the search bar. Now search by the music name. Once you find your desired music, tap on it to select. Now, drag the colorful box to the best part of the music you want to highlight in your post. Once satisfied, tap on the tick icon to save changes. Finally, let's do our final edit, which is cropping. Tap on the frame icon. A menu will appear. Let's select mixed. Once you are satisfied with the edit, tap on the next button. You will be directed to this page. From here, you can add captions, location, tag people and more. Let's go through them one by one. At first, write a suitable caption. Example, added 20 images or videos to Instagram carousel post. Tap OK to save the caption. Then add location. Tap on add location. Now search for a desired location. Once you find it, tap on it to select. Next is tag people. You can tag people if desired. I don't want to tag anyone. Next is music. If you have not added music earlier, then you can add it from here. Next is add AI label. Toggle on the button if you have used AI to create your photos or videos. I haven't used AI, so I will keep it off. Next is audience. Tap on it. From this menu, you can choose between everyone or close friends. I will leave it as it is since I want everyone to see my post. If you wish, you can add reminder, but I am not adding any. You can even share your post to Facebook if you have linked your account, but I don't want to. There are furthermore options. Tap on it. From here, you can hide your like count, disable comments, or share your post to multiple platforms like Threads or Facebook. But I don't want to do any of them. If needed, you can do it from here. Tap on the back arrow. Finally, tap on the share button. As you can see, I have added up to 20 images or videos with the necessary edits on Instagram. Similarly, you can post 20 images or videos on Instagram with the help of this detailed video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.